sunny days.
I had to really rush and get ready. My hair is falling and I'm lost. I don't know where I'm. We just finished this shoot. It is so hot out here. Like, my wig is not even on right now. It's not. Hey guys, so I don't have that much footage because my sister was supposed to record for me, but she flaked on me, y'all. My sister flaked on me. So if you're watching this, Bree, I just can't believe you. It's like, nah. But I don't have that much footage, but I still want to get y'all some content out this week. So I'll probably post another video this week since this video is not, you know, all that. But I think it's still pretty cool. But if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post, you feel me? And leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and I love you guys. Okay, y'all, I feel like I haven't talked to y'all this whole video. So hey, I'm getting ready for a photo shoot. It's like 8 in the morning, almost 9, and I have to leave the house by 9:20 something, so kind of trying to hurry up. I filmed my hair off camera because I'm running out of time. I can refilm myself doing my hair. It's no big deal. I just want to make sure that I can make it to my destination. The hard part is over, doing my hair. I should have got out the bed earlier, but I was just so sleepy because I stayed up till 2 in the morning, but I waited till last minute to do everything. So now I'm just contouring. I remember when I first started contouring, I was so scared to put like a lot of products, and I still use the same products for my everyday makeup routine, child. I still use them products, but I'm gonna buy some new products soon because I want to do a trying new products video, and I want to do a full face with like completely new products because I just want to try some new stuff, and you never know, I might find the best product for my skin ever, you know. I didn't feel like putting on foundation today because, I don't know, I haven't worn foundation in a really long time. I don't really think my foundation fits me anymore, but I should probably stop talking and continue getting ready because I'm late. Okay, y'all. I had to really rush and get ready. My hair is falling and I'm lost. I don't know where I'm at, so everybody's trying to find me. So I get to the shoot. I'm 10 minutes late, but we about to do this thing. My maps. I wonder if I copy this and put this in waves, will it take me there? Okay. But I think I have somebody to vlog for me, so which is why I picked up the camera, because I wasn't gonna vlog because my sister
starting route to Vickery Creek.
I'm
Trail
not
system.
even where I'm supposed to be.
Then take a slight right turn.
12 minutes away, so I'm just gonna go to the right place, honey, because we're not in
Take
the
a slight
place.
right turn onto Riverside Park. Then
Let me turn y'all off. You good? Hey y'all, so I see them. We just finished this shoot. It is so hot out here. Like, my wig is not even on right now. It's not on at all. Like, I sweated it off with all the water and the waterfall and the heat, and it's just hot. But the pictures are so freaking cute. I really do love this color. And I just feel like I didn't vlog enough, but I'm doing a photo shoot for my Instagram. I like to do random shoots on my Instagram. I like to create looks and post them. Okay, so let me talk to y'all because I haven't been talking to y'all this whole time. But I did this photo shoot for my Instagram, and I will put the photographer's Instagram right here. But that is my aunt. But yeah, we did a photo shoot at the waterfall, and I don't know the name of the waterfall off the top of my head, but I will have that name up here too. And it turned out really, really good. It was really freaking hot, and I fell like 6 times. I cut my toe. Like, those rocks is really, really slippery, but the pictures turned out cute, and my ankle's not broke, so we lit. I think I'm about to go get some food because I'm really, really hungry, and just chill out for the rest of the day, edit some videos because I recorded a lot of stuff for you guys, and I plan on recording a lot more stuff this week. So conclude this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. We're posting videos every week, and I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.